short advertising talk about our upcoming training courses at CSCS, and specifically those that are geared towards using the new Daint, the hybrid system, effectively with or without GPUs, but hopefully with GPUs. So the 3 courses that we have already scheduled that are geared towards GPU usage and the new Daint are programming for GPUs, which is coming up 4 to 6 of December 2013. Of course, we're going to have an introductory course after the new Daint gets upgraded. So that is scheduled. It hasn't been set in stone yet, but before it comes into production, late March to early April 2014. And also, I'd like to advertise our summer school 2014 for beginning PhD students, but it's also going to be geared towards programming, multi-core, plus accelerated new machines. The first course, the Programming for GPUs, Introduction to OpenACC 2.0 and CUDA 5.5. It's going to be a 3-day course from the 4th to the 6th of December 2013. It's going to be held in Lugano, and our expert instructors are going to come straight from Cray, Alistair Hart from Cray and Peter Mesmer from NVIDIA, as well as CSCS staff to help you with the debugging tools, performance analysis, and the topics will be Introduction to OpenACC, Introduction to CUDA, code debugging, and code performance analysis, as Sadaf was saying. We offered this course last year, and it was a 2-day course. We decided to add an extra day, and that will give you the chance to bring your own codes. And on the 3rd day, you can have the people there from NVIDIA and Cray help you out in case you're starting to develop your own codes for GPUs. So that will be a great opportunity for everyone. So the registration is open. Please tell your students or whoever is thinking or starting to port code to GPUs, because it's going to be very useful. The next the next course, which everyone should come to, or at least everyone who is going to be using the new hybrid Daint. It's going to be held late March to early April, so stay tuned. We're going to send out emails, and it's going to be advertised on our webpage. And the goal of this course is to familiarize, obviously, the users with the new system, and also help you port and optimize your codes for the new hybrid. The topics, obviously, are going to be hardware and the software architecture, programming environment, the tools and applications, optimization, and obviously debugging and performance analysis. And last but not least, this year we had our first extended 2-week summer school, which was held jointly with CSCS and UZI, and it was geared towards master's or beginning graduate students. This year we had focused on different HPC elements such as software engineering, API, OpenMP, and performance analysis. But given the feedback this year for 2014, we are really going to focus on programming models for this new many-core, multi-core, plus accelerator machines. So it's going to be a 2-week course, but 5 days plus 4 days. The first 5 days are going to be a real introduction to MPI, OpenMP, hybrid MPI, OpenMP, and the second week is going to be geared towards GPUs, OpenACC, CUDA, maybe OpenCL, but for now, OpenACC and CUDA. It's going to be located at a really beautiful hotel, Cadro Panoramica, which overlooks the Bay of Lugano. So please, we're going to send out again emails so you can advertise it to your students. These are some of pictures of this year's summer school where we combine both. That's the current Daint behind all those people, And then we also had a hike in the intervening weekend to Montebolia, so it should be fun this year as well. And last but not least, the 3 courses that I presented today, again, is what we want to offer you because of the systems or the system that is coming up. But of course, we are always open to suggestions. If there's any topic you would like us to cover, please send me an email. We're going to start planning for the 2014 courses very soon, courses other than the ones that I presented now, which are essential. So feel free to talk to me or email me. And yeah, that concludes my advertising spiel. So.